In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently share your Trello board with others. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you can easily collaborate with your team or anyone else you wish to include. Let's dive in and explore how to do this seamlessly. First, you want to start by navigating to Trello. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Trello homepage, head straight to the Boards section. This area is essentially your control center, where all of your workspaces and boards are neatly organized. Moving on, you'll need to select a workspace. Workspaces in Trello are collections of boards, almost like folders that help you categorize different projects or areas of your work. Clicking on one will open a whole world of boards specific to that workspace. After you've selected your workspace, click on Boards. This action will provide you with a list of the various boards under that specific workspace. Look through the list until you find the board you wish to share and click on it. This is crucial because each board contains different sets of information, and you want to ensure you're sharing the correct one. Next up, once you're viewing your board, look for three small dots, often found in the top right corner, your gateway to several board settings. By clicking on these dots, you'll be prompted with a drop-down menu offering several options. Among these options is Share. Clicking Share allows you to decide how you want to share your board. Here you'll see the option to type in an email. This is perfect if you know the exact email address of the person or people you want to grant access to your board. Typing and sending an invitation directly guarantees a secure and direct way of adding collaborators, but perhaps you prefer more flexibility in how others can access the board. Trello also offers the option to create a shareable link. This is an incredibly handy feature if you want to share your board with a group without collecting individual emails. Once you've created this link, the next step is to simply click on Copy Link. Copying the link places it on your clipboard, making it ready to paste into an email, message, or wherever you choose to share it. This feature provides a streamlined and flexible way to disseminate access to your board. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've opened the door to more collaboration and efficiency through Trello. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a broader network, sharing your Trello board is now a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating with Trello.